server, client-server side connection. So we need to use Java EE because most of the technology in web applications, in web development, and web programming or development is actually you can have it on Java EE. Okay, Java EE is Java Enterprise Edition. So we have there the JSP, the Java Server Pages, the counterpart of the ASP, and the ASP. So if, for example, you are really fan of Java, so you would use JSP, you would use the EJP, so for the Enterprise Java Page, you would use Servlets, you would use other technology that the Java EE can offer. Alright? So Java ME, so Java Platform Microedition, is for mobile and handheld devices. So of course, this platform, available platform from Java, so we will use depending on what we want or what we need or what is required from us. So if we are on the web application development, most probably, so you are expert in Java EE. So if we are on the Java ME, so most probably, or in the mobile development, most probably Java ME is the one that of the technology that we are about to use. So but guys, so you don't need to let's say to master all of those technologies. So it depends on what you want to use. So what is required from you. So some Java programmers are experts in Java. So they're not experts in all. So some Java programmers are fully expert in Java. Okay, so but of course you would have an idea in other platforms since it uses the same language. So they use Java as the primary language. Yeah, so we have the virtual machine, we have the different, so we have the different types of technology. So we have also the description, so of the KVM or the Java K virtual machine. Actually, KVM class, it's the virtual machine that the Java microedition is using. Of course, you would not be able to use Java virtual machines. So inside the cell phone. So because Java virtual machine is intended for computers. Okay? So there is an optimized version which is what we call the KVM or the Java K virtual machine. So but we don't have a problem with that. So as long as we have the editor, we have the necessary drivers that we need to run Java ME. Automatically KVM is already included there. So what we could do, or what matters to us, is how we're going to develop the program. So alright, so okay. So to continue with our discussions, so we have there the Java ME overview. So the Java ME is a set of specifications and technologies that focus on consumer devices. So of course, nowadays, so there are several applications so for mobile devices. So like there are applications that's being developed in Java ME. There are applications being developed in Android. There are applications being developed in iPhone, so iOS. So these devices have limited amount of memory, less processing power, small screens, and low network bandwidth. So with the proliferation of mobile consumer devices, so from phones, so PDA, boxes, home appliances, and other things. So actually, Java is one of the pioneers so in terms of the mobile development. So before pa yung mga Java, before pa yung mga Android, so Android is just a new OS, so in mobile devices. So before pa, so Java is existed. Okay, but since the development before is actually focuses on some of the companies that who manufacture the phone, like